The harder you think and work for something, the greater you feel and you achieve it. A hearty good morning to one and all watching this. We all have gathered here for what we call a fun-filled morning. This morning belongs to you and you only. So I, Lakshika, along with Shakina, welcome you all in our today's morning assembly on behalf of grade 11. Tamil Thai World, the invocation to Mother Tamil, the state song of Tamil Nadu by Manonmaniam Sundaram Pillai. Now I would like everyone to raise for Tamil Thai World.
Nothing can be started without the remembrance of Almighty who created the world and who created the whole universe. So I would like to call Riyas for start the school assembly with a school prayer.
Dear God, pray for bright day, to have fun with our lessons and play. We ask for wisdom as we explore and experiment some. We pray for knowledge as we go through each page. We ask to grow strong and wise as we study and play and win every race. And ask it and the care, yes, on our parents, friends, and our caretakers.
A new day begins with a new thought, new strength, and endless possibilities. So, to enlighten us and brighten our morning, here comes Shivani with today's thought.
Imagine life as a game in which you are juggling 5 balls in the air. Name them work, family, health, friends, and spirit. And you are keeping all of these in the air. You will soon understand that work is a rubber ball. If you drop it, it will bounce back. But the other 4 balls, family, health, friends, and spirit, are made of glass. If you drop one of these, you must understand that and strive for balance in your life. Don't let your life slip through your fingers by living in the past or for the future. By living your life one day at a time. You'll live all the days of your life. Don't use time or words carelessly. Neither can be retrieved. Life is not a race, but a journey to be savored each step of the way. Thank you.
So, I would like to call Priyadarshini with her science facts.
A cheerful morning to one and all present here. I'm here to give you a concept flow about the planet Mars, where numerous researches are being done.
Let's visit the planet of Mars. There's so much to learn on the planet of Mars. The red planet in a billion stars. Come and sing along about the planet of Mars. I'm 142 million miles away from the sun and its heat, and that's why I'm Chile. When you're on my surface and you probably freeze, I am a cold negative 81 degrees. 24 hours and 37 minutes long is a full day on Mars, so you've learned in this song. 687 is the amount of days it takes to orbit the sun for my year to take place. Let's visit the planet of Mars. There's so much to learn on the planet of Mars. The red planet in a billion stars. Come and sing along about the planet of Mars.
This mission, also called Mangalyaan, is a space research probe orbiting Mars since 24 September 2014. It was launched on 5 November 2013 by the Indian Space Research Association. It's the ISRO achievement where women played an important role in the mission Mangal. Scientific searches for evidence life began in the 19th century and continue today through the telescopic investigations. Mars may thus hold the best record of prebiotic conditions leading to life even if life does not or has never existed there. On June 2018, NASA announced the detection of seasonal variation of methane level on Mars. Methane could be produced by microorganisms or by geological means. Mars had life early on, but it died out. It is very easy to imagine a world with a thick atmosphere similar to Earth's continent with rich geographic diversity, a day similar in length with our own. Elon Musk of USA is planning to set up human colony in Mars and has launched a satellite called SpaceX. Thank you.
We are in a very extreme situation with this corona pandemic, so we should be very careful with our health. So I call upon my friend Bhagya to give us some health tips.
Good morning to one and all present here. Health tips based on traditional food. Traditional foods are nutrient-rich and have a long history of supporting health and wellness. For good health, we need more than 40 different nutrients and no single meal can supply them all. So we must concentrate in our traditional food like kambu, ragi, etc. These foods have been consumed for thousands of years. Traditional foods are simply prepared, but it is very nutritious and healthy. So we must intake traditional foods in our day-to-day life. Thank you.
As we all know, news stands for North, East, West and South, so I would like to call Faria and Pravina with their news headline.
Today's news by Faria and Pravina. International news. International news. 2-week emergency in Lebanon. Port staff put under house arrest. Lebanon has declared a 2-week state of emergency, effectively giving the military full powers during this time after a massive explosion devastated Beirut. German-Chinese coronavirus vaccine trial begins in China. Clinical trials on humans have begun in China for a potential coronavirus vaccine developed by German pharmaceutical group BioNTech with Chinese company Fosun Pharma. Tokyo governor to call for restraint in travel during upcoming holidays. Tokyo Governor Yuriko Koike is expected to urge residents of the Japanese capital to stay home as much as possible over an upcoming major holiday amid a surge in coronavirus cases. Lanka polls turnout 70%. Rajapaksa is expected to win. Sri Lankans wearing face masks and carrying their own pens turned out in large numbers to vote on Wednesday in the twice postponed parliamentary election. The poll is expected to be won by the powerful Rajapaksa family running the Sri Lanka People's Party.
National news. NEA rejects China's interference in Kashmir issue. PM Modi to address conclave on transformational reforms in higher education under National Education Policy on August 7. DIAT wins first prize in Smart India Hackathon 2020.
Science and technology. Luminol, a compound used in crime scene, may combat malaria. The compound luminol used at crime scenes may kill the malaria parasite Plasmodium falciparum present in red blood cells. Scientists trace the roots of ancient Rome's clear glass to Egypt. The scientists clearly assessed 37 shards of ancient glass excavated from the city of Gerasa in Jordan. They measured the isotopes of hafnium in the glass and matched it to the sand found along the river Nile in Egypt. Tropical storm may delay first SpaceX's crew's return to Earth. Tropical weather barreling towards Florida could delay this weekend's planned return of the first SpaceX's crew.
Sports news. Cricket. Pakistan's Babar Azam in same class as Virat Kohli after England 50. Badminton. India handled relatively easy draw in Thomas and Uber Cup final. Football, Manchester United Inter Milan reached quarter-finals. Tennis, Sumit Nagal gets direct entry into singles main draw of US Open. Anbai Vijaypum Aramvalarpum. 83-year-old Ramu Tata was running a hotel since 30 years. He used to sell rupees 1 dosa with samba and chutney. The afternoon meal was just for rupees 10.
Kindness is a language that everyone understands. Let's be kind and loving to every creature.
Today's weather forecast. The maximum temperature will be 32 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature will be 28 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Faria and Praveen. Every country has a synonym. The synonym is the respective code for the country, and the synonym shows love and devotion for the country, and also a valuable theme. So I would like to call Mr. Aditya to raise a synonym.
Good morning to everyone present here. And I am Nayan Aditya of grade 11 here to present the synonym of the day. The word of choice today is convivial. Convivial is the cheerful and friendly personality of a person, and also means the lively and joyous atmosphere of an event. As examples, a convivial birthday party, and she's joyous and convivial. That's it for today, and thank you for hearing.
Thank you, Aditya, for your wonderful word.
Now, I would like to request an idol of knowledge and experience and inspirational to all of us. I mean, our principal sir, to fulfill our knowledge with his precious thought.
Good morning, children. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you back this week. We are back again to school with high expectations. We expect very high standards and high achievements from all of you. This is our expectation. We are a child-centered school, and all our efforts revolve around the achievement of each student's potential academically, socially, and emotionally. We have the highest expectations about your academic progress. You have teachers who are committed, caring, and professional in all that they do. We are all working hard to keep you happy and smiling throughout your online sessions. It is important because only a happy child is the child who learns and succeeds the best. It is an age of networking and WhatsApp, and you should know how to cautiously make use of all these electronic gadgets by taking the precautions and whatever instructions that is given from our side. I was very happy, especially to see the response from your side for the June month assessment, for the pre-midterm, for the, cycle test for the grade 11s and the periodic test for 9 and 10. It is very encouraging to see almost all of you have taken part. Your participation, especially in the various online programs like Kamraj's birthday, Bakrid, was very encouraging, and we could see the kindergarten children week after week taking up so many activities, and their presence during the online sessions and the way they are behaving well, that is very, very forthcoming, and it is a positive sign, which clearly shows that you have now learned to settle yourself down for the online session. We expect you to ensure your regularity and to be on, go on with the online sessions, and make it a point to be prompt in all your work that is given by the teachers. With this, I take leave. Wish you a good week, a happy day. You have your quiz starting, your Independence Day quiz starting in the first period. After the reading session is over, take up the quiz, participate enthusiastically, and try to come out with flying colors. Wish you the very best for your online sessions. May learning make you a success. God bless you all. Thank you.
Now, I would like everyone to stand for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे